How to verify PayPal account for Scribie. So when you sign up for Scribie, the next step that you are going to ask by Scribie is to set up your PayPal account. Then you'll be allowed to take the test. Okay, so this is very important. What you have to know, it is very important. Let me explain things so that you know exactly what to do. When you look at the instructions over here, they will say that when you look down here, they are having a login button right down here that you can simply click on it, and then they will check your verification status. Okay, your PayPal verification status. So if you have verified your PayPal, all I have to do is to simply click on the login button. Okay, but if you haven't verified your PayPal, how can you verify it? You can simply do it by linking your bank account or your credit card to your PayPal account. Okay, so it is as easy as ABC. And if you have verified your account, the next thing to do is to simply add it. Okay, just add some additional details to it, and then you'll be good to go. So if you have verified your PayPal account, when you look down here, you will see log in with PayPal. All I have to do is to just log in with it, and then they will check your verification. It's as easy as ABC. But if you haven't verified it, and then you haven't linked your PayPal account with your bank, all that you have to do is to just go to Google and then type in PayPal. Okay, so just hit enter. When it comes, go to the official site of PayPal, just like this one. When you look at the top right hand corner, you see we have the login. Just click on the login. Okay, so when you click on the login, what you have to do is to enter your PayPal email address, then you put in the PayPal password, then you click on login. Okay, so let's log in. After you log in, you'll be then taken to your PayPal dashboard, just like this one. I want you to look at the top. You will see that we have the finance, and then when you come to the finance, we have the wallet, we have the money, we have the banks and cards. Just click on it, and over here you have the option to link a bank to your PayPal account if you haven't. And then beside that one too, you can also link what we call the card, the credit card. Okay, so let me first show you the bank. All I have to do is just click on link a new bank, and then it will load, and then it will open. Okay, so when it finishes loading and then it opens, this is what will show. They will show you the banks based on the country you selected when you were creating your PayPal account. Okay, so just look through and then see the bank that you have an account with. If it is not in, don't worry, just click on search for other banks. Okay, then search the name of the bank that you prefer over here. Just type it right here, just like what I am doing, and then see if it will come. If it comes, fine, but if it does not come, then I will show you the next step. But before then, let me show you, if you also want to link your card instead, and then you click on link a card, this will come directly, and over here all I have to do is to just enter the card number, then you come and then select the card type. It's been Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or any of it. Just select it. Then all I have to do is just put in the expiring date, the security code, then you select the billing address, then you click on link card. That one is very easy. Okay, all I have to do is to have some few dollars in your account so that PayPal will deduct it and then send it back after the verification. Okay, so let's continue with the bank. What I have to do is to just search for the name of your bank. As you can see, it will come like this one. Then you select it. So when it comes, what I have to do is to put in the name, the username of your bank over here. Okay. Then the next thing is to do is to put in the password of the bank over there. Then all I have to do is to just read through their privacy statement and then click on agree and link card. But if your bank is still not there, you can also link a US bank account. All I have to do is just click on link your bank another way. Okay, and over here you can link your US bank account like Pioneer. Okay, so if you have Pioneer or Wise, you can just come here and then select the type, which is mostly checking. Okay, after selecting it, just put in the routing number here. You will get it from your bank. Okay, so when you log in, you will get the routing number. Put it here, Then after that, all I have to do is to just come and then put in the account number over here. Okay, just put in the correct account number and make sure that the name that you use to create your paper is the exact name on the account number. And all I have to do is to just come and check the name over here as it appears, and then you'll be good to go. So the next thing is to read their privacy statement very well, and then when you are done, all I have to do is to just come down here and then click on agree and link, and that will be okay for you. They are going to deduct some few dollars from your account and then send it back once it has been done. But if you are in the United States, they are not going to deduct anything. Okay, so this is how to verify your PayPal account for Scribie.